Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the simple steps to rename a PDF file in Google Drive on your PC, especially after the recent updates. Keeping your files organized is essential, and renaming them can help you find what you need quickly. First, let's open Google Drive. You can do this by navigating to drive.google.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly displayed. Next, locate the PDF you want to rename. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you've found the PDF, look for the 3 vertical dots next to it. This icon represents more options for that file. Now, click on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several options. Here, you'll want to select Rename. This will open a dialog box where you can enter the new name for your PDF file. Type in your desired name. Make sure it's something descriptive that will help you remember what the file contains. After entering the new name, click OK to save your changes. And just like that, your PDF has a new name. This process not only helps keep your files organized, but also makes it easier to locate specific documents when you need them. Remember, keeping your Google Drive tidy is crucial for productivity. Renaming files can be a small but effective step in managing your digital workspace efficiently. Thank you for following along. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to rename any PDF in Google Drive on your PC effortlessly. Happy organizing!